In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Microsoft Word product activation has failed. So if you're trying to use Microsoft Word and you've tried to activate it and basically you're getting a bar like this where it says product activation failed, then follow along with me to fix this problem. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and search for Lisp PC. So you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner, search for Lisp PC in your search box and open up the Lisp PC app. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and double click onto your C drive, and then you want to go into either Program Files or Program Files x86. So when you go into Program Files, you want to go into Microsoft Office. There should be a folder called Microsoft Office, and then you want to go into the folder called Office 16. As mentioned, this will either be in Program Files or Program Files x86, depending on your system architecture. So when you go into the Office 16 folder, you're going to see a file called OSP-PREARM. So it's going to look like this. What you want to do is right click and then click onto Run as Administrator. Once you've gone ahead and done that, if you go ahead and open up Microsoft Word, that should successfully resolve this problem and you will see that the Microsoft Word will be activated. So that's how to go ahead and fix if the Word product activation has failed on a Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.